In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Drive from your laptop or PC. Whether you no longer need it or you're just looking to free up some space, the process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll have Google Drive uninstalled from your computer in no time. Let's begin by heading to your computer's search bar, which you'll find conveniently located right next to the Windows icon on your taskbar. Click on this search bar and type in Control Panel. As you type, you should see Control Panel appear in the list of search results. Go ahead and click on it to open. Once you're within the Control Panel, you'll be presented with a variety of options. What we're interested in is the Program section. You will see a link that says Uninstall a Program. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a list of all the applications currently installed on your computer. Now, all you need to do is find Google Drive in this list. The application should be in alphabetical order, which makes your search easier. Scroll down until you find Google Drive. Once you've located it, double-click on Google Drive. This will initiate the uninstallation process. A prompt will likely appear, asking you to confirm that you want to uninstall Google Drive. Go ahead and confirm this action. Your computer will now begin the process of removing Google Drive from your system. This shouldn't take very long, just a few moments. Once this is complete, Google Drive will be successfully removed from your laptop or PC. It's as simple as that. You've now freed up space and decluttered your computer by removing an application that's no longer needed. As an additional tip, remember that removing the application does not delete any of your files stored in Google Drive. They will remain safely accessible through any web browser by visiting drive.google.com. If in the future you decide you want Google Drive back on your computer, you can simply download it again from the official Google Drive website. And that's it for today's tutorial. We've covered how to efficiently and quickly uninstall Google Drive from your PC. This process should help in maintaining your computer's performance and keeping your system organized. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.